Hey VeVe fam, unfortunately we'll be traveling today and tomorrow, so we won't be able to provide a detailed HODL or sell video for this comic drop, but we would like to drop some quick insight and also our final verdict. Tomorrow we are getting Marvel Premiere number 21, which contains the first appearance of Misty Knight. Misty is a martial artist, detective, and one of the leaders of Heroes for Hire. Misty Knight's bionic arm possesses superhuman strength, allowing her to battle even the toughest of foes. Portrayed by actress Simone Missick, Misty Knight was last seen in the 2016 Netflix series Luke Cage. Marvel Premiere number 21 as a 9.8 grade is currently valued at $1,000 by GoCollect, with a recent sale of $576 in January of 2021. For our final verdict, we give this book a sell. Since VeVe labeled this drop as limited, it's very likely we'll see another 10,000 total edition. For this reason, we anticipate this comic selling for a premium due to scarcity. Even though it is possible we will see Misty Knight reappear in the MCU, but we are looking to sell high on drop day and potentially buy back in low as more news of MCU speculation emerges. So in the meantime, if we are successful in the drop, our plan is to reinvest our gems into keys and grails with much bigger upside. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and we hope to see you on the next one.